In 1971, two visionaries, Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight, founded a company that would forever change the sports world. Nike's innovative designs and bold branding would not only revolutionize athletic performance but also reshape the relationship between athletes and brands. Nike began as a small venture called Blue Ribbon Sports, distributing Japanese running shoes, but in 1971, Bowerman's invention of the waffle sole changed the game, offering lightweight footwear with superior traction. Knight's vision of building a brand that embodied the spirit of competitive athletes propelled Nike's rapid growth. The waffle sole was a key turning point in Nike's innovation, helping athletes improve performance and setting Nike apart from other brands. More than just a product, Nike became known for its powerful branding. In 1971, the iconic swoosh logo was introduced, symbolizing movement and speed. Nike wasn't just selling shoes, it was selling a lifestyle. By focusing on performance, Nike's brand aligned itself with athletes and their journey to greatness. Early endorsements with runners like Steve Prefontaine cemented this bond, making Nike synonymous with athletic excellence. The swoosh became one of the most recognizable logos globally, driving the message that Nike was more than just footwear. It was a movement, helping athletes achieve greatness. Nike's strategy went beyond innovation. It was about creating icons. The 1984 partnership with Michael Jordan set a new standard for celebrity endorsements. The Air Jordan line became a cultural phenomenon, demonstrating how a brand could leverage the power of sports stars to shape fashion, culture, and marketing. Nike's formula, uniting elite athletes with cutting-edge products, would forever change sports marketing. The Air Jordan campaign created a template for future endorsements that extended beyond sports. From its humble beginnings to its global dominance, Nike's vision of blending innovation, branding, and athlete partnerships changed the way we see sports. Its impact on culture, marketing, and the world of athletics remains unmatched. Subscribe to emgotv1 to discover more stories of U.S. corporations that changed the world. Subscribe and hit the bell for more deep dives into iconic U.S. companies that shaped our culture and industries.